Brother and sister of the Leaf, this is Al-Lami from Big Smoke Cigar, Kuwait. Glad to be with you today. Today is a kind of a day that you wake up in the morning and there is a certain cigar in your mind you want to smoke it. What is it? This is what I have in my mind today. So I wake up and I'm thinking about smoking the Bolivar Regional Edition Turquia, or they call it Bolivar Bosphorus. Bolivar is a well-known brand. They call it current pre-revolution brand, established in 1902 by Jose Fernandez. And the Habanos is called it one of their value brand. So Bolivar Bosphorus is being released or announced in 2014 and released in 2015. I smoked a couple of these cigars and they were amazing. And all the cigar aficionados enjoy that cigar and everybody's looking for it. There is a pre-release in 2008 for Asia Pacific, the same size. The ring gauge is 52 and the length is 110. The other one call it short Bolivar. This one they call it Bolivar Bosphorus. There is another name, they call it Petit Edmondo, and another name, they call it Petit Robusto. It's an amazing cigar. This is the triple cap, as you can see. I hope you see clearly. And this is the foot. And there is no soft spot at all. The weight is nice. The aroma of the wrapper is soury. And the foot is earthy. We're gonna light this cigar after cutting it and enjoy smoking it and share it with you. Let's see what this couple of years give the cigar from 2015 until 2020. Stay with me, I will be back. In to cut the cigar and enjoy the Bosphorus. I always say, don't hesitate so you don't destroy your cigar. Aim and cut, always like that. Put your shade to the side and then cut and get the cap outside. So you will have a beautiful straight cut. Let's see the draw. That's what I'm dreaming of. Today we're gonna light it with the matches, the old-fashioned way. Let the sulfur goes and then toast your cigar. And I always say, don't be hurry, because you have all the time to enjoy your smoke. If you are in a hurry, don't light your cigar. And the matches, it's a traditional way to light. That's why if you are outdoors, the matches will not going to be suitable. And there is a way of lighting, they call it the 3 matches way of lighting a cigar. Well, outside, then take the first puff, keep it in your mouth, throw it through your nose, they call it retrohale. Then you will know what the cigar is hiding for you. Beautiful earthy start. And the retrohale is so easy and very smooth. This is the start. Let's see what you want to give us. We'll be back. Back again with the Bolivar Bosphorus. Provide you a huge plum of creamy smoke. The draw is so smooth that give you the smoke, and the taste of the smoke is so creamy. The start was earthy, then followed by roasted nut, and now cedary is closing the first third. This is, as you can see, the burn is sharp even. I hope it's clear. The construction is great, and this is the draw. The cigars become very mellow, very interesting. I don't know what the secret about this release, but it's not only me, so much people sharing this, that this cigar is different than the other or the other siblings. Bolivar have so many releases that's been a success in the market. The Belicosos, the last release, the 2018, but El Labrador, everybody enjoy these cigars, and it's make a signature for each release. I think between or among the other Cuban cigar, this brand is making so many successful releases. And maybe so much people disagree with me. They say, yes, this guy is, what they call it, brushing for the Habanos. Maybe they will send him free cigars. Anyway, we'll come back again with the Bolivar Bosphorus. Back with the Bolivar Regional Edition Turkey or Bosphorus. You see the construction? So amazing. We'll try to remove because we reach the first label, and now it is the time to remove it. I hope it will go easy, and I always say let the fire come to the label so you can remove it easy, and then you're not going to destroy the wrapper and destroy your mood. Yes, so easy. It's an amazing burn. Cigar is very mellow. I think it rests from 2015, and now we are 2020, and the draw is extraordinary. You know, some people they say they have a problem with a tight draw. So with the Bolivar Royal or the Bolivar Belicosos, I didn't face any tight draw with the Royal or the Belicosos. But this is a handmade. This is not a God-made. It comes block. Maybe some people will argue, say we didn't see non-Cuban cigar block. Okay, that's non-Cuban and this is a Cuban. And if you are looking for smoking Cuban, you need to accept the handmade defaults. I think it's not a manufacturer problem, because you know they have a draw test now in Habanas, but I think the storing there is an issue. Mostly the people who providing the non-Cuban cigar, they are storing them very good, but we have a problem with the Cuban people, the Cuban retailers or the Cuban shops. They don't maintain their cigar right, and this is a problem. If the cigar get dried, then you humidate it again, definitely it will become black. So buy your cigar from an authentic shop who cares about the humidity and the temperature, and you're not gonna find black cigars. I am not biased to the Cuban. I smoke Cuban, I smoke non-Cuban, but I enjoy the Cuban and I enjoy the non-Cuban. And if the cigar is not okay, I don't need to talk about it. Why you kill the messenger? If you didn't like it, okay, put it down. You don't need to talk about it. It's a bad cigar. This is wrong. People stay for a long time to release a cigar. It takes 1 year to release this cigar for you, and then you will come and you say it's a bad cigar. Don't say a bad cigar. Didn't suit you, or don't talk about it at all. Now it's giving spicy sweet, and you can feel it in your mouth beside the creamy smoke it's giving. Until now, the bouquet of flavor is great. The start was so amazing and mellow. Spicy sweet, you can feel it. It's like some people, they ask, what is the spicy sweet? It's like the licorice. In the end of the mouth, you can feel it. And this is, some people who smoke cigar, you're not gonna distinguish any flavors because your taste bud is dead. So you need to quit cigarette to enjoy smoking cigar. And read your hair to distinguish all the flavors in the cigar you're smoking. I will be back, stay with me. Back again with the Bolivar Bosphorus, and this is the construction as you can see. The second third start with a spicy sweet, followed by leathery flavor. We reach the second label, and there is no bitterness and there is no harshness. Usually I say don't smoke quickly, because if you smoke quickly, you will make the cigar become bittery. People sometimes they disagree with me. They say, no, the cigar is not well blended, that's why. No. This is like a tube. If you heated it, it will become hot, and then it will become bittery. This is by experience. This is not a theory, or I'm just saying it. That's why. Second label is gone, and this is what we see. This is the Bolivar. Still the burn, so amazing, and the draw is so beautiful. And when you reach your hair, it's so easy and small and enjoyable. That's why sometimes you wake in the morning and you recall this and you want to smoke the cigar. Some cigars are making a signature to the smoker. That's why they recall them, because of the draw, because of the bouquet of flavors. Otherwise, there is no difference between all of them if we count them as a normal tobacco. The blend, the construction, the draw, that's what makes us enjoy the smoke and recall it. I think this is what we are looking for, isn't it, cigar aficionado? Or you disagree with me? I will be back. Until the end, the Bolivar standing and providing rich, creamy lump of a smoke. And this is the construction. And the burn from the start, even sharp. The draw is excellent. The bouquet of flavor is amazing. Close the second third with the earthy flavor. The earthy flavor going back and forth. Until now, it's an amazing therapy time for me. If you reach this moment, you don't need any more, because the session is adjourned. That's what we say. The finale definitely will be enjoyable, because the first and the second was enjoyable. Sometimes it will be non-enjoyable because you smoke quickly, then you will have bitterness, then you will have a nicotine rush, and you will get dizzy. So don't smoke quickly, take it slowly, enjoy the stick that you buy. Then it will be worth every penny you spend. This Bolivar Bosphorus is a success. This is not my word. There's so much cigar aficionados in the cigar community saying that. And some people, they're anxious to put their hand on one of stick to smoke it. So always listen to Big Smoke. Don't inhale, rate your hail, smoke slowly, and take care of your cigars, and never buy from non-authentic cigar shop. I will be back. This is what they call it, the amuse. An amuse stick. For a long time we didn't do an upside down, or we don't have the luck to have a success. I will try today. Maybe I can do it, and maybe not. So let's see, the Bosphorus will help me or not. And we'll do it on the signature. Yes. Bolivar, Bosphorus, upside down at Big Smoke Cigar Kuwait, after a full of enjoyment and a moment of amuse. Thank you very much, cigar aficionados, brother of the leaf, sister of the leaf, for your support, because I will not be here without your support. It was a great enjoyment with this beautiful release, and I always say, كبير يا البوليفار. Let's see if it can smoke. Still smoky. That's the cigar you depend on. And there is another trick. There is so much cigar aficionados doing it these days. I don't know if I can do it. Then it will be 2 in 1. Yes, that's the Bolivar Bosphorus. Salute everybody. Thank you for your support, and thank you for smoking cigars. Stay smoky. We'll see you in another video, and another cigar, and another enjoyment. Brothers was going to the Havana Festival. See you soon, and God will. Salute.